Happy dance. Let's make chicken fried rice. Whenever I make rice now, I just make double or triple the batch so that I have some in the freezer or the fridge left over, so you can whip this up in less than 15 minutes. It doesn't have to be leftover rice if you just want to make this dish. Just be sure and cook the rice and then kind of lay it out onto a big platter or sheet tray and let it cool completely. If it's in the fridge, the colder the better. That's gonna keep it from sticking together during the cooking process. Other than that, the ingredients are super simple. Just a little onion. I am adding in some frozen peas and carrots, which are not in this recipe, but I just like the extra nutrition, color, crunch, all the things. If you have other veggies you want to include, like zucchini or bell peppers or something, do it. I'm also using just cooked chicken. You can use this from rotisserie chicken or any kind of leftover chicken you have. You could also use leftover pork chops or ground beef or anything. The world is your canvas. Let's get cooking. I'm using a wok today because I'm at work and we have all the fancy stuff, but at home I just have a regular skillet. The key is you want to use the largest skillet you have so that everything doesn't steam, but indeed it fries. If you have a gas stove, a cool feature that you may not have even known you have if you have a wok is that you can take the grates and turn them upside down, and then your wok sets right into the groove. Key component to making fried rice is that you have to start with a really hot skillet, no matter what size you use. If you don't have a big enough skillet, you can always make it in batches, but you want this basically screaming hot. Once your pan is hot, you're gonna add in the oil and start to saute the onion for just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my peas and carrots at that point also. And then I'll add in my chicken and rice at the same time. One thing I like to do is scatter everything into an even layer and then cook it undisturbed for a little while so that it gets brown and crispy on the bottom. Add in a little cracked pepper. And then to help deglaze, this is the time I add my soy sauce. And before I finish it off, I'm going to do the egg. So I like to move everything to the sides, create a little well in the middle, and that's where I'll scramble my egg, and then I'll bring it all together. All right, once that's scrambled, now the two become one. Yeah, see that? See that little brown crispy bit? That's what you want. That's it, serve it up. I mean, what's not to love here? My kids just like it with a little bit of extra soy sauce. I like to make a little sriracha mayo drizzle and some green onion. Of course, perfect bite. Happy dance. The soy sauce, as it cooks, it just delivers that perfect kind of umami saltiness throughout, but that little burst of green onion and the veggies in there, perfection. You don't have to go to a restaurant or order takeout to get fried rice this delicious, trust me.